Alright, I'll give you this installation directory, but I'm going to go to this website. And download Eclipse. I think I already downloaded it, but let me check. But just want to show you where to go to download Eclipse. I have it here already. I'm going to click here and install it. Close all these directories. I just don't like having too much clutter. I'm going to say exit anyway because I already had it. Minimize that. And that's going to try to install Eclipse. Alright, it's doing its thing, Okay, when this option comes up, let's pick Enterprise Edition. Let's click on Install. Accept the agreement. Okay, let me see here. I'll check this, and I'll check that. So this might take a little longer on your machine. I've been stopping my video so I don't eat up a lot of the video time. Let me launch this now. So waiting for it to come up. Give it a few. Okay, for me, I created a directory called Eclipse Spring 2020. I'll select that folder. I'll browse here, and depending on the class that I'm teaching, so for this class, this is my CST 4713 course. And then I also have one also for, let me go back. Say here, browse. I also have a class where I'm teaching CST 3613. Okay, so for now I'm going to pick the 4713 just to get the project up and running in Eclipse, just to see that it works. And just give it a few seconds. Alright, looks like it's up and running, so this is cool. Eclipse is working, so this is going good so far. Alright, that's us installing Eclipse. With that, good luck in